Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we're doing an unboxing of my Bambu Labs P1S. Now, this is my first Bambu Lab printer, and I'm so excited to have got this. And originally, when I got my Bambu Labs printer, it had water damage, so I had to return this, and Bambu Labs kindly enough supplied me a new one. And now here I am unboxing this lovely beautiful machine. Now, the reason I've gone for a Bambu Labs is because they are at the moment the most reliable, consistent 3D printers on the market, and it's as simple as that. This isn't a paid sponsorship. I paid for it with my own money, and everything, the whole unboxing experience has been pretty much amazing as well. Everything is in the box. Apparently, you know, if you're smart, you can put this machine together within 15 minutes and get it to start printing. With me, it took about 30 minutes. So yeah, 30 minutes isn't bad, and it's pretty intuitive for your average home DIY to put together, I must say. And everything, you know, fits in together very well. You can look on various YouTube videos. There's barcode scanners on the pamphlets and everything that show you how to unbox and set up this printer. But you know, I'm like, I don't read instructions. I just play it by ear, and even myself, I managed to unbox this, take out all the retaining screws, and get this printer up and running. Now, the whole purpose of buying this printer is so I can start a side hustle and possibly generate a bit of income on the side. I'm really enthusiastic about 3D printing, and you know, can't wait to get on this journey, and I hope you guys are going to be joining me on this journey in discovery regarding 3D printing. Now, there's a lot to unpack really with the whole subject of 3D printing, because so many different filaments you can do, and so many different CAD programs that are available on the market. So I'm going to take it step by step, and as I learn, I'm hopefully going to be showing you guys what I'm learning along the way. I mean, the thing is, 3D printing in the last 10 years has come so far forward. I mean, back in the day, you had Ultimaker and MakerBot. Those machines were, what can I say, a bit ropey. For the price of a Bambu Lab P1S, you'd spend that much trying to get the machine up and running with aftermarket upgrades. But this thing works out the box straight away, and I must say it's very impressive unit. These P1Ss are often used in printing farms, so you can imagine the reason why people use them is because they're so damn reliable. So I couldn't help myself but pick one up. And of course, when I bought this P1S, the P2S came out, and but you know what, it doesn't bother me. The printer is the tool, and it is a very, very good tool, and I can't fault it in the time I've had it. And any issues I've had with this printer, I've managed to sort out, and it's been absolutely amazing. Now, going back to the unboxing, everything sort of is pretty intuitive, and you screw everything together to get it up and running. And you know, like I said, you can't fault these machines. They're absolutely amazing. And you know, if you buy it with the AMS, which I recommend for the multicolor printing, and not just that, you can put if you're running out of a filament in the AMS, you can put two of the same filament in, so if one runs out, it'll automatically jump to the other one. And yeah, it's a great piece of kit, and I think I recommend this printer to anybody to get. And you know what another thing is the stop motion animation that you can do, so you can actually make little cute videos of your 3D prints, which are absolutely amazing, and I absolutely love this feature. And you know, I don't get tired of it. And you know, you can operate it from your mobile phone or from your desktop computer. That's it for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, leave comments, and I'll see you guys at some point in the future, if there is one.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.